an officer known for his commitment to public safety. He has played an important role in crucial anti-ganja operations and in strengthening cybercrime awareness. Sir has graduated from I.P.S Law College, Pune with gold medals. He has previously served as Additional SP Narsipatnam, SP of ASR District, and Deputy Commissioner of Police, Visakhapatnam Zone 2. His proactive approach, accessibility to citizens, and focus on effective policing make him a respected leader in the force. We are honored to have you here with us today, sir.
And fraternity that it embodies. Constitution of India is the cornerstone of our democracy. It is a living document that reflects the aspirations of the people of this great nation. I also want to emphasize the role of law and order in our society, especially from the perspective of upholding the Constitution. The police force, much like the judiciary, plays a very pivotal role in ensuring justice and safety for all and upholding the principles of Constitution. All of you know that our task is not without its challenges. We live in a time where rule of law is often tested to its very limits. There is scant respect for law in most of the places. So it becomes our responsibility and all of you as emerging leaders and legal minds to ensure that we influence the future of our legal system and ensure progressive changes are made to the legal system to better the law and order and safety of the people and uphold the principles of the Constitution. Today I urge each of you to reflect on your role in the society, in the community. As you pursue your studies and careers in law, I encourage you to cultivate a sense of empathy and responsibility and imbibe in all the constitutional values. As already told by VC sir, I am also a law graduate. I studied in I.P.S Law College, Pune from 2012 to 16. I graduated in 2016 and I became an I.P.S officer in 17. During my tenure in I.P.S Law College, apart from regular syllabus that we had to study Constitution for, we also had to refer to Constitution for basically everything and anything that we studied in the law college, be it moot court competitions or judgment analysis competition, debates, so on and so forth. After that, I even chose law as my optional subject for the UPSC exam. So there also I again had to study the Constitution and the various hefty books that comes along with it. And let me tell you that going through all the books like D.D. Basu, Sirvai, MP Jain can really be overwhelming at times. You will feel going through all these books that a lot of these things are getting repetitive. We are studying about the same things over and over again. Ultimately, all these books, all the judgments will talk about the basic features of the Constitution, the basic concepts of Constitution and ideals of the Constitution. I also felt that I was having difficulty in understanding and remembering all the citations and case laws, both for my UPSC exam as well as for the regular curricula. But as you pass out from the university, you will feel that it will have such a profound impact on your overall perspective, and it will, without even realizing it, the core values of Constitution like justice, equality, fairness, non-arbitrariness will get so much imbibed in your system that these principles are going to help you in your career as well as whatever work that you are going to do. So even if in the future you do something right or you do something wrong, subconsciously you will know whatever you have done, what is the correctness in terms of Constitution, and that will help you steer you towards the right direction, and that is the beauty of our Constitution. Also, as I've already told you, it is not just about mugging a bunch of facts and all the case laws. It is about carrying these values wherever you go. I, as a police officer, we have to deal with crime on a daily basis. We have to deal with laws on a daily basis. Sometimes the discretion also plays a crucial role. It is during these times that I always tend to remember my study of constitutional law and the principles that it contains. And it really helps you. And I am telling you that it is going to help you a lot. When you go into any profession, be it corporate law, be it advocacy, or like myself in civil services. Another correlation that comes with the study of constitution is following of the laws. You must have studied the origin theory or the social contract theory as propounded by Hobbes, Locke and Rousseau. I'm sure they must have tormented you in your first and second years. But that social contract theory forms the basis of origin of law. It's a beautiful theory. It simply states that we, all of us together, have agreed to enter into a social contract that yes, we are going to abide by certain rules and regulations that we call laws in exchange for the benefits that you are going to derive from the state. This is all what the social contract theory is all about. Based on the social contract theory, we have all the laws that we have in our country that all of us collectively have to follow. I, as a police officer, feel that it is my responsibility to keep on harping on the fact that if we wean away from following of these laws, there will be chaos and there will be social disorder. Responsibility of following it. Because people will look up to you from now onwards. Not everybody gets an opportunity to study law, and especially in such a prestigious university such as yours. However, I have a bone to pick with all of you. Even if we have agreed for a social contract theory, then also we have seen some of the laws being flouted. Traveling on the road, wherever your main gate is. Unfortunately, I have seen people driving motorbikes without helmets. It may seem like a small thing, but this is a social contract theory that all of you have signed. And now we are breaking it. So, it is ultimately for your own safety, it is for your own well-being. This is how the Constitution plays into our daily lives. We have to ensure that others are following the Constitution, others are following the law, and it has to start with us. With respect to these traffic rules, there is no need to tell all of you are smart people, all of you have smartphones with you. But for the sake of repetition, I want to again tell you it is for your own safety. Apart from helmets, no driving on the wrong sides, no triple riding, no rash driving, and no driving without proper records. So I understand all of you are in college, most of you have received freedom after a long time, but these are the rules that you must follow from now onwards, so that the people who actually look up to you, they will start following you. They will also start following the traffic rules. And even if you don't know, the impact that you will have on the society will be such that even by your actions you will be able to influence and bring about a change. So I request all of you to follow the traffic rules quite sincerely. If any issues you ever have, police department is always ready for your service. Second issue that I want to bring across is I.P.S. Act. Consumption of ganja is a major problem in this part of the country. I'm not sure how many of you are actually from this part of the country, but the district that we are presently residing in, Anakapalli District, as well as the neighbouring district of Honorary, perennially there has been a problem of cultivation of ganja and transportation and consumption, and it directly and also indirectly is actually fueling a lot of anti-social and anti-national activities. It is not only about you or me. It is not about whether you agree with something or don't agree with something. It is about the law, it is again about the social contract. So if all of us have decided together that we are not going to deal with a particular substance, that means we are not going to deal with it. So the state that we are residing in, state of Andhra Pradesh, is very, very serious about this issue. It has multiple implications all throughout the social and economic fabric of the state. And from here on, this contraband, that trade in contraband, is actually dealing to several problems in other parts of the country as well. So it becomes our responsibility again that we educate the people around us. We ourselves at all times stay away from all these kind of contrabands and psychotropic substances. I would also request the college administration and especially the hostel wardens to conduct surprise checks now and then to educate the students and to ensure that nobody deviates from the said path. I would also request you, if you or anybody are facing any kind of problems with respect to the issue we just discussed, there is a toll-free number called 1972, so that if you call on this number and any information that you want to share, that will reach directly to the concerned authorities and your identity will be kept confidential. So take it as a service that you are doing for the people around you. Not everybody falls into this voluntarily. It could be due to multiple reasons. The government is there to support you, the police department is there to support all of us. So I would request your cooperation and the college's cooperation to ensure that we deal with this problem suitably. Last, regarding crimes against women, you all are privileged to be studying in this reputed college and being shown so many new perspectives and progressive ideologies. So I would just say that this campus should be a no-nonsense campus, no harassment, no teasing of any sort. At any point of time, if any person, male or woman, male or female, they feel threatened, they feel harassed, they feel any kind of problems, the college administration is always there to help you out. We from the police department are always there to help you out. Just have to call 112 and we will be there for your help. And again, that goes without saying, your identity will be kept confidential. So with these words, I again would like to first of all congratulate all of you for being part of this wonderful school, and you have been given a great opportunity. This opportunity you will not get later on when you start working. You will be mostly left alone and your friends will be here and there. Please utilize this opportunity well. There are a lot of people that you might not have spoken to till now, even after being in 4th or 5th year. Please utilize this opportunity. Speak to everybody around you, develop relations, develop personal relationships. This is what is going to help you in the future. Never be ashamed to admit that, okay, you don't know something and you need help from your batchmates or from your fellow students. So please focus on that, develop a lot of good contacts, develop a lot of good friendships. Speak to all your professors and all your VCs, they are there to support you and help you out. In the future, whenever you need help, these are the people that are really going to stand for you and guide you whenever you are stuck somewhere. So that is all from my side. Thank you and Jai Hind.